Welcome to the Project Awesome!
Hi! Good morning, guys! So today is the 16th of April at pupunta ko ngayon sa YouTube Creators Day. So first time na mangyayari yan dito sa Pilipinas, and of course I'll be with my fellow beauty YouTubers and iba pang mga YouTubers dito sa Pilipinas, sila Lloyd Cadenan. So this is my makeup look for today, tapos nagkulot lang ako ng hair and I'm wearing the Nature Essentials Velvet Lip Cream in the shade Crush. So I have to go now and I'll see you there. Bye!
You can, it still continues to blur it. So this is really good for blurring out license plate numbers and also the unwanted photo bomb that happens.
Truly!
So this is one of the cool features we just launched recently, and I hope to see you guys use it as well. Second thing we launched is poll cards. How many of you here have used poll cards before?
First time namin
So yun,
yeah, first time naman si So yun nga, late na naman ako. Oo. Hindi ko na na-vlog kanina yung pagdating ko dito.
So yun nga, late na naman.
Oh, siya. Hi guys, fellow YouTubers. Hi! Hi! Suplada ako, charin na. Ayun nga, hindi ko na na-vlog yung pagdating ko kanina dito kasi yun nga, late nga kasi ako. But anyway, tapos na yung half part ng program and I learned a lot. And sobrang nakaka-inspire, nakaka-drive up ng energy. Parang, go, 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 YouTube! At ayan, may mini photoshoot si Chevy. Photographed by the professional photographer, Bea. We have just a little break.
Vloggers!
Oh, yeah!
She's vlogging! What's up, vlogs?
What's up, That's Will, I know that you know him. So, this is just a small break right now. And we're going to get back after half an hour. So, yeah, I'm just going to eat some food. Vloggers! Stop vloggers! Stop vloggers! Puro camera here, guys!
Napanood ko yung vlog mo, yung ano. Nakakainis naman eh.
Pinagluto ako na ito.
Hindi, kasi kahapon, sinabi ko sa boss ko, yung alam nyo.
Si Angelo, si Lloyd, si Cara. Yeah! So fun seeing other YouTubers. Nakakatawa.
Ganun talaga dito ko lang watch yung text keme.
Okay, so we're gonna order some food. Ano sa'yo? Wow, ayan, cakes, sandwiches. Hi! Hi, fellow vloggers! Lahat ng camera na nakataas eh, so in-up ko na rin yung sa akin. Nakakatawang tingnan, look at them. Hi, say! Hi, guys! Colors works. Okay, so I ordered this Frosino, Belgian chocolate and red velvet. And tapos ang gulo-gulo na ng pala. Lahat sila nagbo-vlog, lahat kami nagbo-vlog. Walang makakapigil sa akin.
Ako, nagla-live.
Actually, naka-live ka. Lloyd, hi! Si Lloyd. Hello! Karen, si Cassie. Bongga. Meron silang meeting, small meeting.
Super easy, no problem. I'm gonna show a picture of an animal.
And I need to imitate the sound.
Oh yeah, the best imitation you have. Like as loud as you can, as impressive as you can. The audience cheers. We'll show how good your impression is.
Okay, let's cheer, ha?
Ready? Okay, this one.
Panbin manok. Wait. Is that? Like that. Oh my god. Yeah.
What is a chicken with a sombrero? What sound does that make?
I don't know. Maybe you should try. Susan.
So we open it. Go. That's pretty good. That's good. Okay, the third one is pretty hard, guys.
Kakatapos lang nung program proper, and then we filled out this feedback form. And dahil nag-send kami, or nagbigay kami ng feedback form, we got a mug. This is the YouTube Creator Day Manila mug. So awesome. Then now we're going to take pictures. And ayun lang. Very informative, very entertaining yung event ngayon. Sobrang helpful siya as a YouTuber. I really, really love events like this. Sana more soon. Stay tuned for more events daw, sabi nila. We're so excited for you. With my fellow beauty vloggers here.
Yes.
Si Michelle, si Bea, si Anna, si Joy, si Say, si Chevy, si Kerwin, aming news.
Yes.
So awesome! May picture na kami kanina. Uy, Anna, malapit yung meet and greet.
Picture mo sa kanila.
Lala! Sino mga pupunta sa meet and greet sa shout out? Kaya namin meet and greet. Sunday na pala, oh my God. Kailangan pa picture na wala ako. Nakusi ako eh. Okay, so we have to go kasi makikisabay lang ako kay Chevy. Meron siyang car and pareho kaming taga Project 8. So, I'm gonna go now. Boys, bye! Bye, Kerwin. Nice to meet you. Bye, Will. Nice to meet you.
Hi! Hi!
Janina! Bye! 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 See you soon. Love you, bye! Hi! Dito ako sa car ni Chevy.
Hello guys.
Kasabay ako sa kanya
We're going
pa
to do a road trip.
Yeah. Tara!
No, don't vlog and drive. It's
Ako
bad.
lang.
I almost, munti ka na ako makabangga dati.
Ay, grabe!
Because of vlogging, while,
Ano gagawa mo?
hindi ko kasi, wala.
Dapat
Hindi
dito
na lang.
dito. Bawal mag-vlog pag nagdadrive, so ako lang mag-vlog.
Yeah. Come on na, let's go.
Okay, let's go! Umalis na sila.
Wala na, mga bike.
Wala yung mga bikers. Ang ganda ng motor na sa may gas. Ayun, no.
Papayag ka kung ganyan ang namigaw sa'yo, puro tata, tas bikers.
Si Queen Bee payag yun.
Ay,
So, I'm finally home at na-traffic kami ni Chevy. So, nakarating na kami dito alas 7 na ng gabi. And, yeah. So, ayun, hindi pa ako nagbibis kasi pagka-uwi ko, kinausap ko muna si Labidab sa phone. And gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo kung ano yung mga nakuha ko dun kanina sa YouTube Creator. Aside sa knowledge and information na na-acquire namin kanina, sobrang informative ng event kanina. Basta I had so much fun at ang dami kong natutunan kung paano ko mas mapapaganda yung YouTube channel ko, yung content ko. It's so much fun. Sana laging may ganung event kasi malaking tulong talaga sila. Anyway, last year when we attended the YouTube Creator Academy, yung kasabay ng YouTube Fan Fest, may nakuha kaming notebook ng YouTube, yung mga freebies din kami from YouTube. Ngayon, may notebook kami ulit, pero this time, iba na yung design niya. Ayan. It's for the YouTube Creator Day. Sobrang cute lang talaga. I really love the design, yung mga doodles niya and everything. Sobrang match na match siya sa mga YouTubers. And then, another pen from YouTube. Mas iba na yung design niya ngayon. Pero, I really love it. Siyempre, di ba? Para sa akin kasi pagka may brand ng YouTube, oh my God, YouTube. Kasi very rare, hindi ka naman makakita ng ganyan basta-basta sa kung saan lang, di ba? And then yung kanina yung pinakita ko sa inyo, yung mug. Ayan. YouTube Creator mug. And we actually had a photo taken kanina. Kaming lahat ng mga YouTube creators na umattend. Hawak namin lahat yung mug namin. Yeah. Then we said, YouTube Philippines! Wala lang, nakakatuwa lang. And yan, saya-saya lang. It was so much fun to see other YouTubers na iba yung craft. Kasi 'di ba masanay ako na ang lagi kong nakakasama mga fellow beauty vloggers. Nakakatuwa na makakita ng mga ibang YouTubers na hindi sa beauty community. Kasi 'di ba, matutuwa kasi oh my God, ang laki pala talaga ng community ng YouTube as a whole, hindi lang yung sa beauty community. Mga iba-iba yung mga niche namin. Meron sa mga music, sa mga what do you call this, mga DIY, mga entertainers, mga pure vloggers like Will, si Lloyd Calera. I'm so happy na nakita ko na siya before, pero kanina ko lang siya talaga nakausap. So, nagpa-fangirl lang ako kanina. And then, biglang dumating si Miss Aiza Seguera. Papapicture sana ako, kaso, malis na siya, tsaka nahihiya kasi ako. Dumating kasi siya, ongoing yung panel interview kila Lloyd, kay Christine, tsaka kay Will. So, parang nakakahiya naman na tumayo habang may program na nangyari para magpa-picture kay Miss Aiza. Pero, ewan ko, friend niya yata yung isang nandun eh. So, ayun. Ang saya. And, I'm still wearing my makeup. Pero, ito lang, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo. Ay, nakikita niyo ba yung lip color ko ngayon? Di ba sabi ko sa inyo kanina, nabanggit ko ba? Na ang gamit ko ay yung, wait lang. Ito, ayan. Nature Essentials Velvet Lip Cream, and this in the shade Crush. Ang ganda niya, guys. I didn't retouch at all simula nung umalis ako ng bahay. Hanggang ngayon pag-uwi ko, kumain na ako ng cake. Uminom na ako ng frap. Ayun pa rin. It's so awesome. Uminom na ako ng water. Pero, ang ganda lang kasi, although medyo nag-fade ng konti, of course, pero nandun pa rin yung color niya eh. It's so awesome. And, na-try ko na rin naman yung shade na romance nung umattend ako ng annual psychology awards namin a few weeks ago. Kaso, nagtatagal siya. Ang problema, hindi ako kumain nun or what. So, hindi ko alam. Kala ko lang dahil nga hindi ako kumain. Hindi ko alam kung ano itsura niya pagka kumain ko na. Pero ngayon na-try ko to na kumain ako and everything. Andyan pa rin yung color niya. I really love this Velvet Lip Creams by Nature Essentials. So, please stay tuned for my video about this one. Papakita ko sa inyo yung swatches. I have 3 shades of this. Gusto ko pakita sa inyo yung swatch nun and yung proper review ko for that. And, ayun lang. So, I have new videos, guys. Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung videos ko, please do visit my videos list para makita nyo yung mga recent videos ko. I'm planning to focus more, lalo na inspired ako. And also, kasi, since wala na, hindi na ako pumapasok, graduate, actually, tapos na ako sa school, pero hindi pa ako mag-graduate kasi April 29 pa. So, yun, hinihintay ko na lang yung mismong graduation rates namin. And mas marami na akong time para gumawa. So, please stay tuned for more awesome videos and please let me know kung ano yung mga gusto nyong videos na gawin ko. And, ayun lang. So, that's it for this vlog right now and I'll see you soon. Bye!